This is the first thing you must do before opening any position if you are day trading. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to share with you 3 strategies and I'm going to give you main information to help you with your day trading activity. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the first thing you should do if you are day trading in order to save your capital. One of the biggest mistakes rookies and beginners are making when they trading is not to check the economic calendar. It's very important to check the news because during news release, volatility can be extremely high. So the forex market is fickle and you can end up losing money and you need your cash to open the next trade. So even though your trade looks very good and you are eager to trade because you want to make money right away, the first thing you must do every time committing your funds is to check the economic calendar. Watch the video until the end because I'm gonna share with you 3 strategies you can use after news release. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you 3 sources where you can check the economic calendar. The first one is TradingView. Once you are here on their homepage, you go here on markets. And let's suppose you are trading the currencies. You go here on economic calendar. And you will find a complete list of appointments related to each country. So if you're gonna trade the British pound pairs, look at the flag, and next to the flag you will find a bullet. You will find a yellow bullet for moderate volatility and the red bullet for high volatility. Okay. So it's very important to check this calendar. For example, June for example, here we are on the next Monday. Okay, so today is Saturday, and if you're gonna trade on Monday, just make sure you check this calendar. Okay, it's very easy. You don't need to sign up on this website, even though it's free. Or you can start a free trial for a premium membership. They got a lot of features, so you're gonna really find it beneficial. Okay. So the next website you can check is invested.com. It's a very powerful source. You will find every news related to any markets. Okay, from the stock market, indices, and commodities, and so on. So once you are here, you go on tools, click on economic calendar. Okay, let's go here on next week. So let's suppose you want to trade on Monday. You won't find the balance, but you will see these bulls ahead next to the flag. So supposing you are going to trade the USD pairs, look at the bulls flag. When you have 2 bulls, it means that moderate volatility is expected. When 1 is very low and 3 is high volatility. So please stay away from news release because market can be extremely fickle and it's not unusual to see spikes. Okay, very long spikes. So imagine you enter on the market, you enter long, and then the news get released, and the market is becoming extremely volatile. Okay, and a very long spike happens on the opposite direction, so it goes down. Okay, you hit the stop loss, or in a worst scenario, you don't have stop loss, you end up losing a lot of money. So this is the number 1 reason you should stay away from news release. Okay. The third source is fxtrade.com. Is another very great website where you can check everything related to the markets. and you will find anything, news, analysis, economic calendar. So you will have the complete list, like interest rates, market hours, non-farm payrolls, Fed, ECB. Okay, so if you click here on economic calendar, we will find again the complete list. It's not a bad idea to cross the calendars to see if you are missing an appointment. Okay, so they got this bar, okay, and the red bar is high volatility, the half bar is moderate, and then this little yellow bar is low. Okay, so always make sure to check the calendar. I do that. I do this every day, or better on a Sunday evening. I usually receive an email from investing.com, and they give me the economic calendar for the upcoming week. So I got my calendar next to me, and I know exactly what news release is coming up. Okay, every time I open a position, I check the news, and I get in if the appointment is far away from my opening. Okay, so as I promised previously, I'm gonna share with you three strategies. I found this very on dailyfx.com provided by IG. So make sure to read it if you are interested to trade after news release. Okay, so the first strategy is a trend following one. As you can see, you got the image, and it is explaining you exactly how it works. Okay. The second one is a dual spike breakout strategy. It works for 5-minute charts. Again, you will find an illustration below. And the third one is a news reversal strategy. Okay. It's a nice strategy, but before using these strategies, guys, okay, study this article, backtest the market. It's very important to backtest the market, okay, and then start using them on the demo mode. Okay, don't invest real money if you are not comfy with the strategies. If you see that the strategies that these strategies are not making money, okay, because every trader is different. I can be comfortable with one strategy, but another guy or another lady is not with the strategy I'm using. So they're gonna lose money, and I'm gonna make money because I got different skills. Okay, especially on the 5-minute charts where everything is so fast. You need a lot of skills from chart reading, technical analysis, and candlesticks, okay, and so on. It's very important to practice on demo. If you wanna trade with real money, if you wanna really do that, start with a very small account and trade with micro lots. Okay, so if you lose money, you will lose cents. Okay, I'm gonna leave you the link of this very interesting article written by Richard Snow below in the description. So I hope this video was useful, helpful to you. If you have any comments, leave them below. I will. I'm very glad, and I'm very curious to know your opinion. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit my website www.forexexpert.net. You will find a bunch of incredible useful sources and information where you can learn more about the markets, especially the forex market. But I also have commodities articles related, okay, and a cryptocurrency. So for today is everything. I wish you a very good trading day. Good luck. Stay tuned because I'm gonna upload more content. See you soon. Bye bye.